This quick tutorial shows how to create a Gantt chart in Qlik with AnyGantt Extension by AnyChart. In Qlik, everything starts with the data. We're going to create a Gantt chart based on the data from this XLSX file. The tables in this file represent the structure of a company and its project schedule. There are 3 departments, each of them carrying out several projects. Each task within a project is assigned to a certain employee. First of all, we'll create an app. Add this data to Qlik. Apply the suggested associations and load the data. Then we need to make sure that Qlik established proper associations between tables. Let's create a sheet and add 3 filter panes by dropping 3 fields on the sheet: department_name, project_name, and task_name. If we switch from Edit to View and try to select a department and a project, we will see that associated tasks are displayed correctly. Now we can add a Gantt chart. Go to Custom Objects, find AnyGantt, and drop a project chart on the sheet below the filter panes we added before. To configure the Gantt chart, we need to add dimensions representing the hierarchical structure of our data. We will use the following dimensions: department_name, project_name, and task_name. The next step is adding measures. Let's use the start_date and finish_date fields. These measures do not require aggregation, so we use either the only aggregation or just the name of the field. Then we need to make sure that AnyGantt interprets our dates correctly. Use the Map As drop-down menu to map the start_date field as actual start and finish_date as actual finish. As you can see, you can also map a date as baseline start, baseline finish, actual progress, baseline progress, or data field. After these steps, we can already see a Gantt chart. The data grid on the left displays the hierarchy of departments, projects, and tasks. The timeline on the right displays the duration of tasks. Let's add one more measure, progress, and map it as actual progress. Please note that you do not need to aggregate it. Now you can see progress bars. That's it. The Gantt chart is ready. In the View mode, select a department or a project in a filter pane, and the Gantt chart will display the related tasks. It is very easy.